Robinson Crusoe, eat your heart out. Good morning. Here we are, the day of the boat trip. I'm just about to head out for our 3-day boat, 2 nights to Coron. It's Saturday morning today. We arrive in Coron Monday evening, sort of 4 or 5 p.m, hopefully no later. Yeah, I'm excited, a little bit nervous, you know, what's about to come. The weather's not great, and it's just not knowing the unknown. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting, but I'm sure we're gonna see some amazing sights, especially the ocean, the beaches that we stop at. Unfortunately, we haven't got an electricity supply, so that could work against us, especially with a drone and a GoPro. So we're gonna have to be really careful how we use everything. But let's see, let's do this, let's get going. It's 8 AM, the boat leaves at 8:30. I better get going. Seaport, here we come. 100 pesos, 5 to 8 minutes. We are here, we're at the port, we're waiting. David's lost something again.
I quit.
Let's rock. Nothing like wearing a face mask when it's absolutely sweltering.
I found the cable.
Ah, you found it. Happy days. Please don't stop on my bag. Please don't stop on my bag. It's only talcum powder, promise. Phew. We are portside. All these boats don't look great, if I'm honest. I'm hoping we're not going to get on one of these. But like fishing boats. It's a little bit different to a boat I was on in Colombia. Health and safety at its finest. We've just realised about the blue boat, which is shit, in our boat. The orange one is.
We got a smaller one.
The one in the background, the fishing boat. This is only taking us to the main boat. It's only taking us to the sailing boat. It's got to be. Bank of Death. What's your name?
Darico.
Darico.
And you?
Damien.
Damien.
Nice to meet you, man. I might need him to save me at some point. Darico. This can't be the boat. It's just taking us, it's definitely just taking us to the main boat. It's a transport between the port and the main boat. It's confirmed we are on this baby for 3 days. I don't know how many miles yet, Jordan's going to tell me. To be fair, I'm in the mood, I don't really want to know. We're going to stop 2 to 3 times, maybe 4. I do not know how this thing stays above water in the open ocean. Hopefully we'll find out and we'll stay above, not below. David's okay, he can hold his breath. I'm full. These clouds, the weather is not on point today. We have just had the tour brief and my expectations have now been put into place. This is an expedition. It is not island hopping on a luxury yacht. Damien, please check the description next time. But it sounds like it's going to be good fun anyway. But get comfortable with the uncomfortable. It's how I do, baby. Let's go. MJ's signalling the return to the boat. It's time to leave. This is Helicopter Island, also part of Torcy. Just heading into the cave. We are in to the cave. Hey, we go. Yeah, I left it. Yeah. The best 1,400 pesos I've ever invested in. Havana's, I'm not gonna cut it today. I am not sure about these guys. On the Lido. Look at VIPs. Hey, why didn't we get one of these? That was pretty cool. In the caves and just a bit of snorkeling around here. Pretty misty up above. This is Laugh Island and this is part of Torcy, the largest island of El Nido. Snorkeling is done for the day. We're just about to head out. It's roughly about 3 hours until we get to our landing point where we're gonna find our sleeping quarters. Let's see what they're like. A lot of us are a little nervous. Welcome to the toilet. Ocean, how can I forget that? Will Ocean come to the shore with us? No, she stays here. Here we are, land and our accommodation for the night. The only problem is we've got to get there. Land, made it. Here we are, our accommodation. I presume there's the bedrooms. And that boat journey actually took over 4 hours. The waves have been pretty bad, so it was really slow today. Normally it takes about 3 hours. I'm not too sure what time it is here yet, but it must be around 5 PM. The handout. You can tell where the drones are. Over by the kitchen. This is where the magic happens. Bit of maintenance. Accommodation at its best. Toilet vibes. Yes. Oh shit. That's the shower, just a bucket of water. Me and David's in here. Banana flower. Weather magic's happening. I seen a big fish somewhere. Ah, it's here. What fish?
Tuna.
Tuna. Big power fish. Chef Ramsay.
Chef Rose.
What's this? Is that dinner?
Chef Sabina.
Day one is all done. We've just had a shower. Dinner is very soon. It's been a fun day, a little bit different to what I've expected, but I'm going to embrace it. I'm going to take on the adventure inside me, and we'll see what tomorrow has in store. First day, we're out. Good morning. So it's day 2, 7 AM. We're gonna have breakfast at 8 and then we're leaving at 9. The weather is looking good. That's needed. Yesterday's weather wasn't great, but today should be an exciting day. We've made a lot of headway, so now we're gonna spend a lot of time sort of getting around the islands, doing plenty of snorkeling. There he is, old Wolfie. Hello. Got well fed last night, this guy. Where are we going? Let's get the steps in, come on. Robinson Crusoe, eat your heart out. How's it going? Yes, chef. If you've ever wanted to see what a bucket shower's like, this is it. There it is right there. One bucket. And a smaller bucket full of water. And you together as one. Breakfast vibes. Wolfie! Ah, there you are. There you are. This is the dog that I threw off the table last night by accident. But look, still loves me. Still loves me.
Leave a like if you think he's a good boy.
That's what a little bit of scrambled egg does for you. Gives you a bit of love on an island. Remind me of El Pablo back in England. Here we are with MJ. We're just about to go to the boat. We've had breakfast. He is the guy, the main guy for the tour, and he's going to give you the description of this island.
Hello everyone, this is our second day of our exploration. So now here we are now to Linapakan Island, so meaning to say we're in the middle of El Nido and Coron. So today we will go to a remote islands. So today we will try to have at least 4 stops before we go to our last and final base camp. So from here going to our first stop, so it takes only 5 minutes. So it is an island, it is a really good island, a beautiful island here in Linapakan. So there they can snorkel. We have a really good spot for snorkeling over there. We have the reef are really good are in good condition. So there are a lot of fish that you can see, and the reef is really beautiful. So hopefully guys enjoy this video.
Cheers, MJ.
Bye bye. Cheers.
Here we are. Hopefully, I'm going in the front, leader. Oh my god. Just nearly ripped my foot. Island life. Wet bum at all times. I had this chance. Here we are back on the boat, and we're just about to head to the first island, which should be over there, roughly around 5 minutes.
Like Irish.
Guys are set, we're ready.
Yeah.
This island looks amazing. I need to get across there ASAP. Look at this. The guys are over there, they just snorkeled. The drone is hopefully up there doing its thing. Although I can't see it. Yeah, there it is. This looks the best island by far. I cannot wait. I've got to go and show you the rest. Did not see a thing. I got excited over nothing. Guys, did you see anything? I couldn't see anything. No? No? Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, the boats move. Yeah. Did you guys see anything?
I did lots of fish.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, you
I
did.
think
Must have been.
more over here.
Ah, the boats move, right?
Yeah.
This place is paradise. I don't think I've seen a beach so clean. Look at it. It is amazing. Look at the colour of that sea. Spectacular. Anyone seen that Tom Hanks film? I can't remember what it's called. Nelson? Is it Nelson? No, it's not Nelson. But anyway, where he's stranded on that island. Like, I'm sure if he was stranded here, it wouldn't have such an appeal. But for an hour, this is just amazing. The best investment I've made by far. Goodbye Tanglin Island, meaning small bird in English. What an island it is. Next is the big one, more snorkeling. I'll find out the name. Next stop, Cobra Island. There's no cobras on it, as it's shaped like a cobra. That's why I'm going. Here we come. We have landed Cobra Beach. Check it.
The last but not the least, Filipino power.
Boom. Thanks, chef. Give you a 7. So this is our last stop now before we head over to cliff diving. Check this out. I had a sneaky suspicion there's something wrong with this boat. So we dropped the guys off over here and we've been trying to get back to them just over by this boat. But it looks like the steering or something like that cannot get them back in. So might just be us for now. Let's see, but the good thing is I got my drone back. That's the main thing. We are now at the cliff diving spot, the last spot before we head to base camp. The guys, you have to swim in and you've got to climb the blue rope and then you've got to jump from there and hopefully not get smashed to pieces by the waves. Whoever thought of bringing Westerners here, they're doing it for comedy value only. We are finally at base camp number 2. I'm starving. I need to get off this boat as well. It's been a long day. 2.5 hours to get here from his last stop. The cliff jumps. We're heading over there. Transport has arrived. VIPs. Let's go.
Hi!
Here he is.
Welcome to my vlog!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We're just waddling through deadly jellyfish infested waters.
Chloe wanted to eyeball me.
That's not what happened. I thought I thought that in canoes we're supposed to face each other and distribute the weight.
No. New base camp, new kitchen. The chefs are already at it. They know that I'm hungry. Another big one. We'll leave these guys to it. Base camp 2 accommodation. Here it is. The finest. Let's have a little look around. Got the toilets. You don't need to see in there. And the shower consists of a bucket. You don't need to see in there either. We're in this like little valley. We can't go in the water because there's box jellyfish, so that's unfortunate. Breakfast and dinner table. Just about to grab a coffee. The last breakfast, here it is. Final day, no more nights in tents, shacks or anything else. Base camp 2 is done. It's been fun, it's been exciting, but I must admit, I'm almost ready to get back. We've got a few stops today before heading back. We should get back to Coron at 2 p.m. Sorry, that's 4 p.m. Let's see how today goes. Here's my ride. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Yes. Here we go. Welcome aboard. We are currently just confirming there's a lot of jellyfish in here, varying from all sizes. You can't really see them, but they are down there. Show me something special. Hey! First stop, we're here for an hour. finally we are at stop number 2. I think it took longer than normal, but I haven't got a watch. I'm going to stay that way until I get off this thing. I'm just about had enough of boat life. I need some food. I'm grouchy. Here we are. Easy, man. The drones have just gone up. There's mine. Getting some good shots. We've got drone number 2 there. FPV's about to go up right now. If David can set up the firmware, you know what it's like. And then we're gonna fly right over here. This is our last stop before we've probably got between a 2 and 4 hour trip to Coron. Not looking forward to that. Get me to Coron. Over and out.
So we're having a lunch. Let's give a round of applause to our chef.
Here is our food, guys, for our last and final day of our exploration. So yeah, fish steak, some fruit, and the last but not the least,
Another day, another breakdown. Oi, time out well. Third time this trip. We have made it. We are finally on land in Coron. These guys have been great. It's been so much fun, but 3 days, 2 nights is definitely enough for me. I'm happy to be back on land.